Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to talk to you guys about how to market your hair business. You can use these marketing tools for any business, but I just want to talk about my hair business, people. So you guys know I am a hairstylist. I do custom wigs, I sell wigs, and I sell bundles, closures, frontals as well. So things you need to ask yourself when starting your hair business and how you're going to market. So first thing is get organized with how you want to run your business, what you want your business to look like. Get those things organized. That's like the easiest step, how you want to look. And of course you can change your look down the line of your business, but let's just get that kind of settled first, get set in stone on what you want your business to look like. And then we can move on to getting your website done, because nowadays I don't know any business that can survive, especially because of the pandemic, any business that can survive without a website. So even if your website it's an informational website only. So your business name is on the website, information about your business, products that you sell, prices of things. Even if you don't have a store on your website, you want to sort of have this information on there just so your customers have a good idea on if they would like to contact you. So you might have an email or a phone number where people can contact you to purchase. So at least if you have the information of your business, that's exceptional. So maybe you want to add a store to your website where people can look up the things that they want, click, purchase, and they're done. You ship out their product and you're good to go. So have some sort of website that your customers can have access to that show them your business, everything that you sell and what you are about and what image you're trying to put out there. And I say image because you could be trying to market to young teenage girls, college students, professional women, Caucasian women. You can do it by gender, race, and things like that as well. So it'll give them a better insight of you and what you sell. Okay, so get your website. Social media is like the easiest, I'm not gonna say the fastest, but the easiest, the most accessible way to advertise and market your business. So Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, get all of these things in your business name. Whether you have if you turn your personal page into your business page or whatever you decide to do, get all of these access points available for you to market and advertise through. These are free advertisements that you can just put out there. Make sure you put the right tags in there and things like that. And yes, you can gain followers, gain people that will try to access your business and get engagements, get people riled up about your product. So you can definitely do free advertisements through there, but they do have an option to do paid advertisements through those social media points as well. So keep that in mind, that you can pay for ads on those social media sites to build your business as well. Another thing is make sure you set up and claim your business online. Get your domain name, make sure you've registered with the state and things like that, so then you know that business name is yours. You would hate to make your whole business name up and set up a website and all of these things and the name is already taken and then you end up having to take it down and start all over. So make sure you do your background work on starting your business as well, so then you can get out there and start promoting like crazy and hopefully everybody purchases from you. Now, make sure you network. Get local awareness. That's where you start. My business is in the city of Ontario in California in the Inland Empire. So, of course, that's where I grew up. A lot of people know me already. So that's already a great place to start, where people already know you, so people already trust you. I'm a hairstylist, so I've done people's hair before, regardless of if they use my hair or another company's hair. So get word of mouth out, to your community, the people surrounding you. And then you can eventually start branching out through to your county, and then, all over your state. And then of course, countrywide and, worldwide as well. Building your business and building your brand in that way as well. So some other things you could do to market and advertise: offer discounts, promotions, do sales here and there. Depending on what kind of business you want and what you want your business to look like, you may or may not offer, sales at all. Some businesses, they have a sale going on every single month. It may be different, it may not be, but there's always a sale going on. But then some businesses you may come across and they literally have 2 sales a year, and you have to, catch them if you can. So depending on what you want your business to be, try not to do, too many, in my opinion, too many sales, too many discounts. I feel like, in my own opinion, it starts to cheapen the brand. That's just me. This is how I feel. But that's up to you and what you want. If you're advertising to young teenagers or college students, they're always looking for a discount. They always need to get some money off of, their hair or things like that, because they're young, they don't make as much money, they're spending their money on school and things like that, so they don't have the funds to spend so much money on hair. So just depending on what you're advertising towards. Now, when doing your business, you can advertise and market trying to find your target audience. And of course, it's trial and error as well. So you're not going to know or find your target audience right away. So you may change it along the way to who you advertise for, your target audience, and who might purchase from you the most. Because if I'm advertising to high school students, college students, anybody like under 25, but I see that women 35 and older are the only people purchasing from my website, then I need to reevaluate and figure out, what alley I'm gonna go down in my advertising and marketing strategy. So like, you can think about age, mature audience, young-minded audience. You can think about, demographic. You can think about gender. There's some people who may, depending on what they sell, they may only advertise towards women or men. So let's see, ethnicity. I've seen websites where if you click on the website, you know exactly what ethnicity they're trying to advertise towards. And then you can also think about the wealthy and the non-wealthy people that you may or may not want to advertise towards. They're not to say that this has to be do with only hair vendors, but there are certain hair companies and they charge $200 a bundle. And there's some hair companies and they charge $30 a bundle. So, and there's plenty of people that fall in between. So of course it has a lot to do with what hair you're selling for those prices, but you need to figure out who your target audience is. The people who are looking for discounts, they might go for the $30 a bundle hair. People who don't care, they want the highest quality no matter what, might be able to spend $200 on a bundle, and that might be the types of people who purchase from you the most. So you need to go through these things and ask these questions to yourself. Who do I want to advertise towards? Can I be the face of my company? If I am a 40-year-old man who wants to sell hair, maybe I don't want to be the face of my company, especially if I don't wear the hair. I might get hairstylists, get other women to promote my products, and my face is never out there. I'm the business owner, but my face is never out there, and my products are getting promoted. I am advertising to whatever demographic, age group, and things like that that I want to, and I'm making money even though my face is not out there. Nobody even knows I own the company. It's just me. I'm in the back doing all the work and letting everybody else be the face of my company. So there's so many different ways and so many different avenues you can go down when advertising and marketing for your business. So just some things to think about And sometimes things work, sometimes they don't, but make sure you guys change it along the way to better your business. All right, so hopefully that information helped. I know I understand it a lot more now than I did a long time ago. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, definitely put your comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. I try to respond as quickly as possible. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.